Hey guys, it's Cannibal Cat. Please don't look at my face today, that's all I have to say. I've thrown myself together for the sake of this video because I gotta get this shit done. I'm really stoked about it. We are gonna be doing a StitchFix unboxing. You guys may have heard of StitchFix. I think they're trying to like ramp up their advertising right now, but I've always watched one of my favorite YouTubers, ThriftThick, do unboxings of it, and I went, that's weird. Like, for me, I know it wouldn't work out, honestly, because I have a very, very specific sense of style, and from what I've gathered, Stitch Fix seems to be geared towards the average person. Like, their style is very normal and casual, and involves color and flowy things that are just generally not my jam. So what I wanted to do is sign up for Stitch Fix and lay it all out for them and give them my full aesthetic, tell them I'm kind of fucking goth or whatever you want to call it, and like these are the patterns I like. I use mostly black and nothing else. Like, I like lime green and I like pops of color, like very small pops of color. I said specifically very small pops of color. Mostly black. And they let you have like a little inspiration board where you can upload photos, and I uploaded a lot of things that I think captured my vibe, like a lot of punk and goth and kind of like e-girl fashions that I tend to follow right now, and a lot of black and white bold patterns. That's the gist of it. So we'll see if whatever's in this box is like, you know, succinct, is all proper and together, and I'm really excited. And like they let you fill out these little quizzes where it's like they show you pictures of clothing and it's like, is this your style? And like 9 times out of 10 I'm like, no, 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 I would never wear that. Literally would never wear like half of the shit on this site. But they also, shut the fuck up. Sorry, my boyfriend's blowing up my phone. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got here. They send you a mailer for what you inevitably don't want. This is a little thing that tells you what's in there. And let's find out. Oh! Okay, well immediately we have dark colors. That's good. We have a plaid. I told them I like plaid, so I'm not gonna lie. I think I said bold punk plaid though. But we'll find out. Alright, so we have a plaid button-up, which I'm okay, for sure. It's really soft. It feels good. The colors are neutral. I'm into that. It's like black and, you know, like a little maroon. Alright, I'll give it a try. It's a little out of my wheelhouse, but if I had like something nice to go to or something, like maybe, and by nice I mean like, you know, the couple times a year I see family or something. Alright, let's see what's here. We have, okay, a regular ass, like chiffon black button down. Very standard business casual kind of thing. Again, the thing about these kind of clothes is I think they're just geared towards like adults and like people who like flowy things, because this looks like a box. This looks like it's gonna make me look like a dude. Like, I don't have faith that this is gonna make me look good whatsoever. Nor will it match with most of my outfits. So anyway, let's, you know, moving along. I said a bright neon lime green, and I get an olive, which, I mean, they tried. I'll give them that it's green. But again, don't think I'd ever wear this. Like, I don't like this kind of like knit, crochet-y kind of like, it's boring to me. It comes off like grandma hippy dippy, like I'm gonna go and like sew a blanket or something. Like, it screams matronly. And that's why I did this, is because all of the boxes I've ever seen of this brand are just like matronly ass clothes. I'm like, who's buying this? I guess old people. Like, who is signing up for someone to style them and like pay for that? And then like maybe pay for the clothes if they're good. Like, it's such a weird concept that I had to try it out because people like it. Apparently some people use it. I'm just like, who's wearing these clothing? Except like, I don't know, maybe I'm just weird. That's why I'm doing it. You people will probably wear this shit. I would not. Okay! High-waisted shorts. And they're distressed and they're dark. I'm into that. These ones I would see myself wearing, and I told them I needed bottoms because I really don't have any bottoms. So, yeah, okay, for sure. These ones I'm most excited for so far. And then we have, oh, a pair of black skinny jeans. Oh, thank the Lord, because I always need some of those. Who doesn't ever need some of these? So, let's try these on! Well, so right off the bat, I kind of want to vomit. As I suspected, I look matronly as fuck. So, the thing with the shorts is that high-waisted is either, like it either works on me, like, a little bit or it doesn't work at all. And, like, so I, honestly, like, I love the style, but I don't wear it so much because, like, you look from the side and it just makes me look, like, gross. Like, it's not a good look. Like, the pockets and, like, this area is always so, like, bulgy, it defeats the purpose of, like, defining a waist. Because you just, like, turn around and it's like, oh, well, I'm, like, fat and weird. And while the bottom is cute, with all, like, the distressed and the fringe kind of thing, it just, like, doesn't fit super great. It just doesn't give me that feeling. And oh my god, don't get me started on this shirt. This shirt is like everything I hate about shirts all into one. I mean, I'm not opposed to, like, this kind of thing, I guess. Like, cut out fabrics and that kind of thing is cool. But the olive green, like, I'm not that bitch. I have one pair of olive green corduroy pants, and those work in, like, for very specific situations. This, I don't feel like I can make work, because it's just not my jam. So, moving on. Okay, well, I might be eating my words on this shirt. I didn't know that it had all these, like, little cutouts. I told them also I like cutout fabrics and, like, revealing, like, cutouts, because I think they look fucking cool. But yeah, I was pretty much right in that it makes me look, like, weirdly shapeless, like, I don't know. It doesn't do it for me. I guess, like, if I was trying to be, like, actual goth, where I, like, have a clove cigarette and, like, a top hat. Here, let me see. Does this make the look now? It kind of does, not gonna lie. Okay. I see it. I see you, shirt. And these jeans fit me like a glove. They fit really great. I don't want to know how much these are, though, because I like them, and I don't want to like them. Because that's the thing about StitchFix, is these clothes are, like, nice clothes, so they're probably gonna be really fucking expensive. But, like, they fit really good. You can't lose the black skinny jeans, so let me just, try on the terror that is that plaid shirt, and we'll move on from there. Do I even need to say anything? Let's find out what's in this box and what it's going to potentially cost me if I wanted to keep any of it, which the only thing I'd really be interested in keeping is the pants, which I'm still currently wearing because they're so rad. And, maybe that black button down's pretty nice, not gonna lie. So, knowing those two things are probably gonna be more than $100 in total. Oh, hello! What's up? Okay. Yeah, see, that's the issue, is that the suggestions they give for these different, like, outfits are not my outfits. This is not a thing that I would be working with. Like, any of these outfits, like, the crochet top, none of this I would wear. I wouldn't wear any of this. None of that. And none of that. So, it says, "Hi Claire, welcome to StitchFix. I'm happy to style your first fix with us, and I appreciate being able to look over your style profile. Since you mentioned you wear a more gothic look, I focused on pieces in the colors that you prefer. Let's dive in. The Market and Spruce crochet front top is a lovely piece to wear with jeans or capris. I included a pair of black skinny jeans and the Boom Boom jeans frayed hem shorts for a little variety. For a casual day to hang out, try the Cosmic Blue Love button-down top where you can roll up the sleeves. Lastly, I thought you might like the gold ray sleeve detail button-down blouse for a night out. Be sure to leave feedback and let me know how the pieces worked for you as we expand more summer items. Stay safe and take care. XO Monica." Thanks, Monica. You know, for, like, what you were probably working with, you did your best for sure. Okay, yeah, tell me how much this shit costs. It's gonna hurt, I know. Okay. Of course. Of course. So, my skinny jeans are $45. And my black button-down shirt. How much? What brand is that? Let's see. Gold Ray? It's $64. Hell yeah! Not, yikes, dude. So, I mean, like, I just wanted to see, like, what this would entail, and not gonna lie, you can send it all back, and, like, that's whatever. You paid 20 bucks for the service, and, like, you can send it all back if you wanted to. Which I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I really like these skinny jeans, and I really kind of like that shirt, but I don't think I'm gonna buy the shirt, because, like, $64 for a shirt that, like, makes you feel like a grandma, even though it's kind of cute. I might do this again. I might continue doing this just to see, like, because I know, like, the more you do it, the more they kind of understand what your style is, and, like, try and adhere to, like, your vibes. I think I could do that, just to see. I think it's kind of fun. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope it wasn't, like, too dumb and weird and boring. I just really wanted to try it out. I couldn't help myself because I went, yeah, like, anyone's gonna be able to pick out the fucking exact stupid specific kind of clothing I like, because I'm so picky. Like, I said black and white prints, and they give me this, not knowing that I actually fucking hate it. Where it's like, well, if you say black and white prints, you'd think that this works, but it doesn't. I fucking hate, like, light colored plaid. If it's not red or, like, some bold ass, like, stupid looking color, I probably don't like it. So anyway, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. If you want, you can hit the button down by my stupid face, and you'll get more of this face in your YouTube feed. And if that's not enough, you can add me or follow me or like me on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, and or Snapchat at CannibalCatX. One word. I'll see you guys there. Thanks for sticking around. More sick rad content to come. Yeah, that's about it. I should just name this video I am looking like a disaster, the video.